Hi everyone, welcome to lecture number 27, which is Postorder Traversal. Postorder Traversal. So this is a third type of traversal which we are discussing. So this will be the end of like important traversals, something like pre-order, in-order, and post-order. So these are similar type of traversals. So let's see what's post. Post means route should be traversed after left and right. So first you will traverse left, then you will traverse right, and then you will traverse your route. So this is post order. So let's say with an example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so let's traverse this in post order. So first, this is route. You'll go to your left, you'll go towards your left, then you'll print this, which is 4. You'll come here, you won't print this, you'll come to here 5, then you'll print your 5, and you'll go back and you'll print your 2. Okay, then later you'll go to 1, you won't print this, you'll come here 3, you won't print this, you'll go to 6, so you'll print 6, and then you'll go back, you won't print 3, you'll print 7, and then you'll come back, then you'll print your 3, and then after everything is completed, then you'll print your 1. So this is your post-order traversal of this particular binary tree. Hope you got it. So let's jump into our coding session. So let's see how we can write code for this. So it will be a lot similar to all the pre-order and then order traversals. So I'll declare a function. If the route is null, you'll return null. First you'll traverse it towards your left, towards your right, and then you'll print your route value. And everything other than this is taken care by the recursion. Yeah, that's it. And that's it about post-order traversal. Got any doubts or questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye.